Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
Sometimes it's essential to recognize when we need to step back and recharge. That's why we decided to take a break from the hustle and bustle of college life and head to the beach for a much-needed getaway. As we soak in the sun and breathe in the salty air, we're reminded of the importance of taking care of ourselves amidst the chaos of our academic pursuits. As aspiring marine engineers, we navigate the depths of knowledge, charting our course through turbulent seas of equations and diagrams. Yet amidst the relentless tide of assignments and projects, there comes a moment when the soul yearns for solace, when the spirit seeks respite. So let us pause, let us breathe, and let us replenish our spirits. For in the ebb and flow of life, balance is the compass that guides us.
Pre, ang ganda pala dito. Para ang sarap tumalon dito ah.
Sige nga, talon nga.
Sige. Sa dami ng workloads at mga errands sa eskwela, deserve talaga natin mag-unwind.
Oo nga eh.
Nakakapagod sa eskwela, buti na lang, maganda dito at nakaka-refreshing.
Tara, kain tayo.
Oo nga eh, nagugutom na nga ako.
Tara, kain.
Sarap. Kamusta na kayo yung isa nating kasama?
Kung nga alam eh.
Ah. Baka di na naman napayagan. Istrikto mga pagkagulang nun eh.
Sige nga, tawagan mo nga.
Uy pre. Uy, tignan mo. Saan ka ngayon pre?
Nasa bahay.
Ah, kami. Andito kami. Nila Julius at Kaindek. Dito kami sa dagat, nag-unwind.
Pre, ba't di ka nakapunta?
Di ako pinayagan eh. Ang layo daw kasi sabi ni mama. Pero pupunta naman ako sa dagat malapit dito sa amin.
Ah, ganun ba? Oh, kaya mo na. Hindi naman iisang araw. Pwede naman bukas or sa makalawa. Basta mag-ingat tayo.
Sarap siguro kung nakasama ko yung tatlo. Ang hirap naman, di na naman ako napayagan. Buti na lang, malapit ang dagat dito sa amin. Kahit pa paano, makapag-unwind naman ako. Kamis, hingang malalim, minsan kailangan lang natin magpahinga. Bumelo, mag-isip saglit, tapos laban ulit.
So here's to taking a break, unwinding, and recharging our batteries. Because in the end, a well-rested mind is the key to success.
You're here to stay. So tell me what you want. Tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't